Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we want to show you how we created our holiday campaign for less than $5, and we made videos like this, and like this with the same materials, literally things we just had in the house, but this is things that you can go out and buy and spend less than $5. And I'm talking literal. If you haven't created your holiday campaign, it's not too late. We're 9 days away. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. It's going to be super short because it's that easy, that simple. Basically, the concept was to promote our cozy collection, which I'm wearing right now. Super cute. But anyway, stay tuned for that video. All right, so the first thing that I did is I went down to the basement and I just looked through all my holiday storage and collected whatever I felt fit for basically the campaign. Anything that was holiday-ish or holiday vibes. I wanted to keep it neutral and close to our brand, which is mostly like browns and nudes and stuff like that. So I definitely wanted to add the craft paper. Not something too childish looking, something more mature. And I literally put everything in this one box and I went to work. Okay, so the materials I used was mostly the wrapping paper. I used this little tree that I had last year. I think it was $1 at Target at the dollar section. Ribbons, which are usually $1. You can find that at Dollar Tree. Of course, tape, glitter, Dollar Tree. This little tree, I got it from Target as well, but I didn't use it. So I just collected a bunch of things, and not necessarily because I used it, but because I felt like maybe I could use it. Maybe it'll look nice, but at the end I wanted less than more. And so I have a bunch of these ribbons from last year. I got these bows at the Dollar Tree, a whole bag of them for like $1. So now, that box was heavy. I'll show you guys basically what I use to create like a backdrop and everything like that. Be right back. So in this clip that I'm about to show you, you see me basically taping the wrapping paper to the backdrop, which was made of foam board, $1, also at the Dollar Tree, and I just taped it up. So these are the foam boards. You can find them at the Dollar Tree for $1. I bought 2, and I've had these way before this campaign or this idea came up. I literally got these when I first started just to have like a all white background. And so this is the finished result, and it's not fancy, but if you look at my photos, it kind of looks fancy. So I just taped it up. It wasn't even, but I made sure to capture my photos from here down so that you don't see the unevenness. And as far as the lighting, you know, a ring light obviously is not $1, but if you have a small business, I'm sure more than likely you have one already. And if you don't, try to take photos by a window in the morning so you could get that sunlight. But what I did, see how the light is reflecting off? I held my ring light up above, like right above here, and I was able to capture photos without that glitter. Some of them have the glitter, some of them don't. And then like I felt like it was a little too plain, so what I did was I grabbed most of these and I just taped them. So this is how the board looked, which is the bows, and it came out pretty cool. I love the concept and the way it came out, but I wanted to create different images, different type of looks. And so eventually, after I filmed some of the items on here, I just flipped the board around. I showed the white side. I made sure not to capture this part. Really just I had a table right here, and this is how it looked. So I was able to add items on here and take flicks. And then when I had it on this side, this is how it looked. So you really just have to like use your imagination. This one video, I got a lot of good feedback on this one video. It was, I just added the bows everywhere. $1 for the whole bag at Dollar Tree. And I sprinkled glitter as I filmed, and it just came out so festive and so creative. So just look around your house, see what you have, and use props. Make sure your background is clean. Like, that is the most important part. So make sure your background is clean. You can use candles. You can use wrapping paper, which I already had, but you could find them at the Dollar Tree. Ribbon was a big part of my creation. Just be creative, but literally head to the dollar store, get your supplies, and start filming those holiday campaigns. It is not too late, guys. You can still do this. And I use literally my iPhone for everything. And this is not a sponsorship. I just want to let you guys know what filter that I'm using for the holiday vibe, for the holiday theme. And it's this one right here. And I was able to take these photos and turn it into this with that app. So go ahead and download it, create that content, and start posting. Good luck, guys. Oh, and I wanted to mention our coziest collection, which includes our sweatsuits in gray, cream, and brown, is launching on Black Friday 11/26. And we have so many sales. It's gonna be like, you're saving so much money. It's like not even funny. So if you're interested in our collection, even in our other items that we have on the shop right now, make sure that you follow us on Instagram to stay up to date. Press that follow button for more content like this. Ask me any questions. I am down to answer. And I love you guys. Bye.